Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Anurag, where you can find latest job updates and complete placement preparation. One big update is coming from IBM. Finally, IBM is hiring 2023 password batch for Associate Systems Engineer role. Eligibility is 60% marks in your 10th, 12th, and in your graduation. Job location will be across India. Salary will be 4.5 lakhs per annum plus 25,000 rupees as a joining bonus. Last date apply is 13th January 2023. So in this video I'll discuss what is the exam date, what is the selection process, what are the qualifications required, what are the eligible branches, how to apply. Please note there are total 3 steps to apply which I'll discuss in this video. So please watch full video for better understanding. So without wasting time, let's get started. Before moving to the job opportunities, I have some great news for my audience today. Unacademy has brought a super amazing app that is NextLevel. NextLevel is the ultimate platform to showcase your expertise and skills. Get a professional rating and unlock the job opportunities based on your ratings. NextLevel helps you create the most important professional profile of your career. You build it by competing and winning coding competitions on the app with others. The more you win, the better your rating. The better your rating, the more job opportunities you unlock. Super interactive and fun gameplay designed to test your skills and knowledge. Next Level is already partnered with multiple companies across various domains. For example, Cognizant, HCL, TCS, Infosys, etc. After installing the app, you will be added to the waitlist and join today so that you can be the first ones to start playing. Refer your friend to move up on the waitlist. I'm already on the app. Use my code ANU4916 to join and we can play together once the app launches. See if you can beat me in the coding contest. I'm excited to use the app and compete with my audience. Download the app today. You can invite your friends and challenge them to coding competitions. The app is free and available to download from the Google Play Store and will be launched on iOS soon. Right now, you will need to join the waitlist. So hurry up, download and join the waitlist to get the early access to the app. The download link is already given in the description box. Now let's discuss about the job opportunities which is coming from IBM, which I already discussed. So what I didn't discuss that I'm going to discuss. So qualification. So qualification is BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MSc or MC candidates can apply. Eligible branches are CSE, IT, Robotics, ISE, EE, ECE, EIE, AE, IE, Triple E, ETE, Mathematics, Computing. And experience should be freshers. Test location and interview location both will be virtual. And here if you have any education gap, don't worry, you can apply, but you should not have any active backlogs. If you had any backlog in the past, then don't worry, you can apply if you have cleared that backlog. But no active backlogs are allowed. After that, bond. Yeah, there is a bond, but they did not mention regarding the bond, but there will be bond. So simply you need to click here to apply for this job. Once you click here, then it will redirect you on this official post of the LinkedIn. So here, this post is posted by IBM officially on the LinkedIn website. Here as you can see, right? So you can see this is the official information. So this company is hiring, I mean this IBM is hiring 2023 password batch. And here you can see there are total 3 steps to apply. So step number 1, you need to apply for on this link. Simple, for systems engineer role. So simple, let's click on this. Once you click here, just click on this. Once you click here, then it will redirect you on this official website here. Just scroll here, you can read all the details. Simple, you need to click here, apply now. But let me tell you one thing, uh, on 6th January and on 7th January, so from 6th to 9th January, they are upgrading their software, so you can't apply between these dates. But don't worry, you can apply on 10th January 2023. So please wait till 10th January 2023. So simple, step is very simple. Once they are done with the software update, then simply you will find the option, then you can apply, right? So this is step number 1. So step number 1 is done. Simply you need to click here, click on the apply, you can apply. Please note, there you will find one more important thing, job ID. You need to copy that job ID because that is required in the step number 3. I'll discuss, don't worry. So that is one job ID you need to note in the step number 1. Now step number 2 is after applying, you will get your candidate reference number via email. So IBM will send an email, right? on your registered email ID. Then they will send you one reference number, candidate reference number, that you have to note. And let's discuss about the step number 3. Once you click here, step number 3, here, just wait here, just wait, page is loading. Yes, here you can see event date, that is 31st January. So exam date is this one, right? So simply you need to click here, register. Once you click here, register, then here you need to fill this form. Please note, if you don't fill this form, this is the step and final step 3 and final step. If you don't complete this final step, then you will not receive any online exam link from IBM. So this, all the 3 steps are mandatory. Step 1 you need to apply. Step 2 you don't have to do anything. Just you need to copy, or you need to note your candidate reference number which you will receive from IBM. So simply you need to fill this form. Now let me tell you very important thing here. You can see IBM candidate reference number. Whatever IBM candidate reference number they will provide there in your email ID, that you have to paste here. So you will find this candidate reference number in the step number 2. Now another important thing, IBM Job ID. Please note, IBM Job ID also you need to mention here. Where you will find IBM Job ID? Once they will because currently they are upgrading their software, but once you will find that option to apply, then there they will mention IBM Job ID. But if you are going to apply on or after 10th January 2023, then don't worry, you can ask in the comment box. I will provide IBM Job ID in the comment box, but you can ask after 10th January 2023, because then only you will get the IBM Job ID, right? You can simply ask, I will reply in the comment box what is the IBM Job ID, because currently I also don't know what is the IBM Job ID, but on 10th January only we will know what is the IBM Job ID, right? So simple, that IBM Job ID you need to put here, and all the details you need to fill. Then simple, after filling all the details, you need to click on this checkbox, then click on this checkbox, then click on this submit, right? Done. Right, now let's discuss one more important thing, IBM selection process. So this is the IBM selection process. So in the IBM there will be total 3 rounds. Round 1 will be coding test, that is IBM CodeKnack and QT. So this is the round number 1, and this coding competition they will conduct on the HackerRank platform. On the HackerRank platform there will be some coding questions which you need to solve. Please note, if you want to practice, so simple, you can practice lot of questions on HackerRank, so that you can easily crack coding test of IBM, right? There are lot of questions for practice on the HackerRank, so you can practice, right? Step number 1, I mean round 1. Now round number 1, please note, all the 3 rounds are elimination round. So in order to jump in step number 2, I mean round number 2, then you need to clear this coding test, round number 1. So once you qualify round number 1 coding test, then you will be eligible for round number 2, that is English language assessment. So there will be around 10 questions, and you need to solve 10 questions in 10 minutes, right? There will be some MCQ questions, and there will not be any negative marking, don't worry. After that, once you qualify this round number 2 as well, then you will be eligible for interviews, that is technical interview plus HR interview. Once you qualify technical and HR both interviews, then you are done, and you will receive the offer letter from IBM. Yeah, that's it from my side in this video. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in comment box. You can join our Telegram channel. I'll put a link in the description box. If you think this video is helpful, like this video, and you can subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.